everybody. I'm here to see if these hertz Neos and it really hold up to what everybody says about them. Recently got them, installed them on my bike. I went through some rain. My bags here. Got soap. They smell like crap because they got wet. I thought that these speakers were waterproof. So got about how much water? Probably 15 ounces of water, and I'm gonna pour right in the center of the speaker, and I'm gonna see if these speakers hold up to water. Any water get on the side of it. I'm just going to fill it up. And then we're going to see. I have a phone. We got it already. I don't see the water inside. Directly through the speaker. And I have two speakers. Like this. Slow them down. So it's gonna pick back up. Speaker to test also. This is speaker number 1. Water's going down. So it's leaking through the tweeters. You see the bubbles. Water like a sink. There you go. Alright, so I got the left side. I just got the left side speaker. So I'm doing a water test on these hertz again. See if they simulate rain, that's all. I'm not using the water hose, I'm not using the pressure washers. So this is the flat part of the speaker. No leak so far. Let's see what we got here. And these ain't no cheap speakers, man. Alright, so let's go to the tweeter. See what we got. Tweeter. Uh-oh. What we got? So that's what it is, man. The tweeters are not waterproof on these hertz speakers, unless I got a bad batch. Hopefully where I got them from, they'll take care of it. So all the water done drained out. Let's go again. Y'all see the water going down? Go. I mean, heavy rain is going to get in the tweeter. Is this how hertz design these speakers? Not sure.